Dance teachers and studio owners, you will not want to miss today's video. I am sharing 5 unique ways to welcome new and returning families back to dance this season. If it's your first time here, I want to welcome you and hope that you enjoy today's video. And if you do, I invite you to hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you've been here before, welcome back. I have such a fun video for you today as I am sharing 5 fun and creative ways that you can welcome your new and returning students back to your dance studio this season. It's not only time for back to school, but it's time to get back to dance. Welcome to my classroom today. My name is Jessica Strong, and I'm the director and owner here at Dance to Learn. And I'm excited to share my 5 fun and creative ways that you can welcome your new and returning dancers, families, and teachers to the new dance season. Making your families feel welcomed and appreciated is key to them returning year after year. And this year, with social distancing protocols in place, you may have to get creative in how you make each and every dance family feel welcome and safe at your studio. All 5 of these ideas today make social distancing easy while also making your families and dancers feel at home in your dance space. So let's get into it. My first suggestion on how you can welcome your families into your studio this season is to purchase branded dance studio merch before your fall registration begins. Merchandise with your studio's name, logo, and tagline is going to be a key way to ensure that every dancer and family that walks in and out of your studio become a walking advertisement for you. So here are some examples to make this concept successful. First is to collect each dancer's t-shirt size at registration. This way, when they arrive to their very first class, you present them with their own studio branded t-shirt. This way, they can wear the t-shirt inside and outside of your studio. And I would also include your phone number on the back of the t-shirt. This way, new customers can easily reach out to you and inquire about classes after they see one of your adorable students out and about in their shirt. My second idea is to give out a bumper sticker and keychain to each parent as they register. And be sure that the bumper sticker says, "My child dances at," and then the name of your studio. And again, include your studio's phone number on the bumper sticker. This way, interested individuals can call for more information about your classes. My last suggestion on making merchandise work in your favor is to give a free water bottle to all students coming in for a free trial. Because think about it. How many times have kiddos shown up for a free trial and they are not prepared for class at all? When you give them that free water bottle, both the child and the parent are going to appreciate you, and they're going to feel like you truly care about their safety and their well-being. Merchandising does not need to stop here. Branded merchandise can come on bags like dance bags, pens, buttons, coffee mugs, notepads, and so much more. So be sure to stock up on the branded merchandise that you think your families would use the most, both in and outside of your studio. And just give a little away as free gifts before and during registration. And if you are looking for a great website for affordable and customizable merchandise, I personally would recommend Vistaprint. I have used them for years branding my program, And because I trust them so much, I've shared a link in the description box for you to give them a try as well. My second idea to wow your families during the Back to Dance season is to offer a giveaway in exchange for referrals to your studio. Now, for a giveaway like this to really work, you're going to need to be sure that the prize is substantial and it actually motivates your families to want to participate. I think a great giveaway this time of year would be offering one lucky family free tuition for one dance class for the entire dance season. Because what family wouldn't want to win that? To make this work, you need to explain to your existing families that they have an opportunity to win one free dance class for the year. And to be entered, they need to refer new families to the studio. You can set up your referral program a couple different ways. I think the easiest way would be using a software that easily tracks your referrals by providing each family with their own referral link. And they can share this link online across their social media platforms, or they could also email their link to their friends. And then when their friends register through the link, the family receives the credit for that registration. My referral program is currently set up through GrowSurf, which is free to try for your first 500 contacts, and I left a link for you in the description for you to give them a try for yourself. Now, the second way that you can set up your referral program is sort of the old-fashioned way, but you can track each referral by having new families write or type in who referred them to the studio, and then you can track it manually. Be sure to give your referral period a start and end date so families know when their referrals will be counted towards the giveaway. You should also set a limit on how many contest entries each family receives per referral. So for example, if they refer one family, they receive one entry into the contest, or if they refer 5 families, they get 1 entry. But it's really up to you and how you want to structure your giveaway. The last thing that you want to do is be sure to announce the date that you'll be choosing the winner. Make this event big and virtual and broadcast it live across your social media platforms. One of my favorite apps to use for giveaways is the Wheel of Names, which is actually a website. But it allows participants to see the wheel, they watch it spin, and they can see where the needle lands. You could also always buy a wheel and handwrite the names of everyone entered, but if you have a whole lot of entries, the Wheel of Names may be the way to go. I linked that for you in the description below. My next tip is to put together a really nice preschool dance program gift for all the new preschool age dancers entering into your program. And unlike your free studio merch that you give away, your preschool dance program gifts should be personable and useful to the newest and youngest dancers entering your program. I always say that your preschool program should be the backbone of your studio. Therefore, the more that you can nurture your preschool age dancers, the more likely they are to continue dancing with you for years to come. The first thing that I always try to include in my preschool gifts is a pair of dance shoes. I always ask parents on their registration forms what size shoe their child wears. I then give them shoes that are 1 to 2 sizes too big, and I do this for a couple reasons. Number one, my preschoolers are going to grow very quickly over the course of that first year. So by providing them larger shoes, this is going to allow them room to grow. Number two, psychologically, it tells my dance moms that their child needs to grow into those shoes. So theoretically, they should keep them returning to dance classes for quite a while. So I actually have an example of one of my preschool gifts. And this is an example of a gift that I would provide to my new preschoolers entering my program. In this gift bag, I provide them a dance book that talks about their first dance class and how to prepare. And my favorite book is one of my own, and it's called Florrie Flamingo's First Ballet Class. And I wrote this book specifically to welcome first-time dancers into my program. And what I love about this book is that we discuss everything that the dancers and moms need to know before their first class. The second thing that I love about this book are the characters. So Florrie Flamingo, like many of our preschoolers, has never danced before. So she's a lovable and relatable character that the kids can really connect with. Then next is Oscar Ostrich, who is our boy character. And I really wanted to include a boy because I believe it's really important that boys have characters that they can relate and identify with as well. Lastly, Swanilda Swan is a character that has been dancing for a couple years, and she helps Florrie Flamingo figure out how to perform some of the harder dance movements. And then, of course, Bella Bear is the friendly and helpful dance teacher. The next item that I always include in their free gift is a stuffed animal, because stuffed animals provide a lot of comfort and support. So if a preschooler is having a hard time in their first class, giving them a teddy bear for emotional support is going to help them feel more relaxed and more comfortable to join in when they're ready to. And so for my gift bag this year, I'm including a flamingo stuffy because it goes along with my Florrie Flamingo story. The last item that I include is a personalized handwritten card thanking the family. My next tip is to create a photo booth wall in your studio where every dancer can get their picture taken before their first class. And this is going to be especially important this year because families may not be able to sit in the lobby while their child is in class. But you still want them to know just how much fun their child had at their first dance class. So be sure to instruct your teachers to have each dancer visit the photo booth before class so the instructor can snap their photo, and then use an easy photo editing app like Lightroom to edit the photos, and then you can email them to the families with instructions on how they can share the photos across their social media. And when doing this, be sure to include some studio-specific hashtags for the families to share along with the photos. Lastly, when decorating your backdrop wall, be sure to include your dance studio logo in the decorations so everyone can quickly and easily identify your studio from the pictures. And if you're looking for a little backdrop inspiration, check out Confetti on the Dance Floor. They have some amazing backdrop and photo shoot ideas that you can incorporate into your studio. My last tip today is to remember your instructors. So your instructors are your greatest asset, so you want them to feel welcomed as a part of your dance family as well. So use that branded studio merch to create a new teacher gift for each instructor. And be sure that they all have a branded t-shirt that they wear when teaching, that they have their own branded water bottle, and of course a bumper sticker that says, "I'm a proud dance teacher at your studio name." It's also really nice to include a personal touch as well. So for example, if you know that your instructor loves coffee, include a branded coffee mug and a Starbucks gift card. Or if you know that they're a wine drinker, you can include a nice bottle of wine along with a branded wine glass. And lastly, before your fall session begins, take a minute to record a short teacher interview with each instructor in front of your photo booth wall and share that video with their class in an email so that families get a chance to learn more about their instructor prior to classes beginning. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I hope that you enjoyed these tips on how to welcome your dance family to your studio for the new year. And before I go today, I wanted to include you in on an amazing opportunity that I'm making available to my fellow dance studio owners and teachers. And I have never done anything like this before, but I'm so excited to share this limited time offer. I would love to see Florrie Flamingo included in your preschool dance gifts. So I'm offering you my book at wholesale pricing. So from now until August 15th, you can purchase your own copies of my book, Florrie Flamingo's First Ballet Class, in bulk at a reduced rate. Normally it's $9.99 plus shipping, but if you order 10 to 50 copies, you can receive them for half price at $4.99. If you purchase 51 to 100 copies, then you can receive them for $4.50, and 101 or more copies for $4 each. I have posted a link in the description below so you can order your copies of this adorable story to give to your preschool dance class students as well. Thank you again for joining me today. If this was your first time here, my name is Jessica Strong and I'm the director and owner of Dance to Learn. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments which of these back to dance ideas you are going to implement in your studio to welcome your families back to dance this year. I hope to see you all again soon during my next video. Till next time, bye.